So yesterday, we got busted by the cops. Well, technically not busted. What had happened was, so let me back up. We were up at our research and design facility. We were shooting some install videos for some of the new products that we've been rolling out. And you know, we got a couple of those busted out, and then we started getting a little hungry, and I just recently got this harness so that then I could be harnessed in the back of my boss's SUV. We had Sean, Al, and Kyle all on motorcycles. Bailey was driving, Justin was in the back seat. He was getting some, passing shots, and then I was in the very back. We had the hatch open on the SUV. You guys probably saw the picture. We took off. Kyle lost his hat. Guess he forgot to turn it around.
We got plenty more.
We went through town, then we started going down this really cool windy road. Bailey blew through the yellow light and about made me fall over. Lucky I was harnessed in.
Did you just blow a red light?
No, it was yellow. It turned yellow as I was turning.
Sean's last words were, Bailey, no!
They could floor it.
Yeah.
It was still yellow.
Scars. I'll brush you off just like the dust upon my shoulder. I have a hunch of who you are. Believe it or not, I got the strength to blow you over.
Got us right into a traffic jam.
Uptown, there was a ton of traffic and construction. We were headed to Meech's pit stop in Ortonville, but unfortunately, they were closed. So instead of going there, we headed back through town to Bullfrogs. Little did we know, there was a cop sitting right across the street. And when he saw me hanging out of the back of the SUV, he decided to pull us over. So we pull into Bullfrogs and park. He gets out, I'm like, hey officer, how's it going? The cop was cool, he was glad to see that I was harnessed in, but his biggest issue was the fact that he couldn't see our license plate. If he could have seen the license plate, he probably wouldn't have even pulled us over, honestly. And the cop also suggested that next time we go and do this, we do it on some side roads rather than going through town. Yeah, it was a pretty interesting day to say the least. Glad we didn't get a ticket though, because that would have sucked.